Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from CheckPeople step by step. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Let's jump in. To opt out of CheckPeople, go to their website at checkpeople.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click the Do Not Sell or Share My Personal Information link. To begin your opt-out, fill out your first and last name, city and state, complete the security check and click Search. Locate your record from the search results. Then click the Remove Record button on the right corner of your record. To confirm your request, you need to verify your information again by entering your first and last name and email address. Complete the security check and then click the Submit Request button. An on-screen notification will appear indicating your personal record has been removed from the CheckPeople website. Check your email inbox for an email from CheckPeople. Open the email and click the Confirm Request button in the email to complete your opt-out. A confirmation message will appear. Your opt-out is complete and your personal information will be removed from the CheckPeople website. Congratulations on opting out of CheckPeople. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.